Hey guys, welcome back to Altcoin Goddess. In today's video, we're diving into BlocksBrokers, where you can experience unparalleled trading with over 16,000 tradable assets. But as always, before we dive in, remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. BlocksBrokers combines global reach with local expertise, giving you access to markets from all around the world. So whether you're looking to trade forex, crypto, commodities, or more, they literally have it all. This platform is built to set new standards in the trading world, and the best part is that they offer a 7.2% interest rate on your account balances, so your funds grow even while you're trading. With no commission or hidden fees, you can keep more of your profits without worrying about unexpected costs. You also get to learn at your own pace with a variety of educational tools designed to help you improve your trading skills. So if you're looking for a smooth, high-reward trading experience, BlocksBrokers is where you want to be. As you can see, they offer unmatched earning potential, allowing your balance to work as hard as you do. With over 250 plus assets, including crypto, forex, stocks, and indices, you have a wide array of opportunities to invest in. You can also access over 60 engaging videos designed to guide you from the basics all the way to becoming a pro trader. On top of that, their trading system is made for both beginners and professionals, which is giving everyone a chance to succeed. And when it comes to security, BlocksBrokers has your back with robust cybersecurity measures to keep your assets and data safe. You can trade 24/7, accessing the world's market whenever it suits you, and if you need any help, their expert support team is there to assist you every step of the way. This project is all about creating a dynamic and innovative platform that equips traders with everything they need for success. In an industry that is constantly evolving, they're always refining their services to meet the needs of traders worldwide. Their technology is built to handle high numbers of orders per second with ultra-fast order execution and low latency, so you are always ahead of the game. They understand that education is key to success, which is why they provide over 60 engaging videos to help you master the basics and advance to more complex trading strategies. This gem also places a high value on client interests, always keeping them at the center of their operations. Their commitment to education ensures that traders at any level can continuously grow and improve. They follow a client-oriented approach, making sure that your trading experience is personalized and optimized for your success. And on top of that, guys, they also introduce you to the dynamic world of energy commodities trading. Energy commodities like oil, natural gas, and renewables are crucial to the global economy, powering industries and nations. With this gem, you can step into this vital market and trade the resources that keep the world running, which is a huge plus, guys. But I have to say that that's merely not all. They also offer access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including top names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Ripple. As you know, the crypto market is booming, and BlocksBrokers give you the tools to capitalize on this exciting, ever-growing space. Also, if you're into forex trading, they have got you covered with an extensive range of currency pairs and 24/7 flexibility, so you can trade literally whenever you want. And on top of that, you can also leverage market volatility to your advantage with their versatile contract options. And for those interested in stock trading, BlocksBrokers offers a comprehensive suite of services designed to help you succeed. And if you're into precious metals, this gives you access to CFDs on gold, silver, and other precious commodities, which continue to be a reliable and profitable asset class. What's important to know is that BlocksBrokers welcomes traders of all experience levels, whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced pro. They offer a variety of trading accounts designed to suit your needs, making sure that every trader, no matter their level, gets the most out of their trading journey. Instead of offering just a one-size-fits-all account, they have created a refined selection of accounts so you can pick the one that works best for you. Whether you're a beginner looking to get your feet wet or a seasoned trader ready to dive into more advanced strategies, BlocksBroker has the perfect solution for you. As you can see, their platform is designed to cater to everyone, which is making it easy for all traders to maximize their potential and succeed in the markets. And on top of that, guys, they also take trading support to the next level with their dedicated teams, ensuring that you get the best experience possible. If you're a platinum or diamond account holder, you will have access to dedicated sales traders who offer a level of service that is literally unmatched. These professionals work closely with you to refine your investment strategies and execute trades that align with your goals. And for those who want even more personalized support, they offer a dedicated analyst service providing tailored data-driven strategies to help you navigate the markets. The analysts interpret global trends and give you actionable insights, ensuring that you're always ahead of the game. And to top it off, BlocksBrokers assign you a personal relationship manager who is there to guide you through every step of your trading journey. From setting up your account to developing a strategy that matches your financial goals, they literally ensure you have everything you need to succeed. As you can see, guys, this gem is a massive opportunity for anyone looking to trade with a global multi-asset broker. And with 16,000 assets to choose from, the possibilities are endless, so you can start trading with just a $250 deposit and enjoy 24/7 access to the markets from anywhere. If you're ready to take your trading to the next level and explore these incredible opportunities, it's time to get started with BlocksBrokers, so head over to their website and start your journey today. Also, like, share, and subscribe for more insights, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated on the crypto world's next big opportunities. This is your host, Altcoin Goddess, signing off.